Good day, McVeigh. Happy Monday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, we're going to go right to our Get Smart project. And it happens to be a very similar project by two different students in our first grade. I love these projects. It kind of reminds me of the project that we got from Sophia George and writing down math to remember. So these were sweet facts, remember. So she wrote down the multiplication facts to help her remember, because when you write something, it helps you remember it. So you say it, you memorize it to yourself, but if you write it, that will also help. So Ariana and Ishal, two different classes, both made number bonds. Now Ariana's in 124, but two things about their work. Number one, what you're going to see is part, whole. So they've labeled the parts and the whole in the number bond, and then they've included the number sentence. So for example, 8 plus 14 equals 22. And what you can see in this number bond is the 22 as the whole and the parts 14 and 8. And Ishal did something just like that. You'll notice in all of these number bonds, the wholes are labeled, as are the parts. So you can see the whole is 7, the part is 1, the other part is 6. Now, sometimes there's more than two parts, but in these number bonds, there are two parts and one whole. So these are awesome. Well done. I hope to see some more super duper cool math work. All right, now let's get to our Wordle. All right, so here it is. Our clue is always McVeigh. And we see that we have a vowel. It's our clue, or our first letter. So E is the most used vowel in our language. And this letter here is the most used consonant. So we have the most used vowel and the most used consonant. All right, so see if you can fill that in. Okay, and here's our mystery number. So we're looking for the 10. How many 10s are in this number? We know there are 7 ones, but how many 10s? So remember, this is the 10s column. This is the 10s, and this is the 1s. So how many 10s? Well, in this number, there are 3 letters. 3 letters in this number. We're going to figure out how many 10s. So the mystery number has 3 letters in it. All right, now it's time for a Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So today's Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to our PTA. We had wonderful school photos, best we've ever had actually, on Thursday and Friday. And then after they're done with school photos, they spend time cleaning some of the things we haven't had in our classrooms for a very long time, so we can now have them in our classrooms. So a big shout out to our PTA, and a reminder that our McVeigh gear is on sale. If you want to get a t-shirt or something like that, you can. How? Just look at that flyer and follow the directions. And why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, mighty kind, mighty minds. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.